Hello lovely people, welcome to Wahid Mixed Cuisine. Today I gonna show how to cook one of my favorite delicious Chinese dishes. It's chili honey orange chicken. Before I start to cook, may I request please subscribe my channel and hit that bell button to get first my new video. Let's gonna start to cook now. Here is all ingredients: chili flakes, cooking wine, spring onion, orange juice, chicken strips, sesame seed, oranges, cornstarch, soya sauce, ginger, garlic, baking soda, paprika, black pepper, salt. So now let's gonna marinate the chicken. Here is the chicken breast. I cut it strips size. Now I put that salt and black pepper and paprika, smoky paprika, and baking soda. I have also little bit garlic, and also I'm gonna add little bit cornstarch. So I gonna mix it so it's look dry. So I gonna add little bit soya sauce. Like this is that light soya, so have little bit saltiness. So I mix it. So I leave for a few minutes for before I heat it up. So now it's time to cook. Here is I put the pan, heat it up the oil. So I gonna fry the chicken few minutes. So I'm gonna make little bit brown color. The chicken is pre-cooked. So then I gonna mix that sauces. So I need few minutes to cook. I need to high heat that pan, and so it will be little bit crispy on the chicken outside, not burning, but it could be little bit crispy on the outside for chicken. When it's getting little bit brown, you're gonna understand it's chicken already cooked. So when it's cooked, it's ready. I gonna take it off. Now I put little bit oil again. So I gonna put that garlic. Here is that ginger garlic. If you can use the ginger garlic paste, I chopped it garlic and ginger. Here is the chili flax. So now I gonna add that orange juice. So here is that light soya sauce. I boil it little bit. Now I gonna add honey. This is my secret honey. So I gonna boil it little bit, then I gonna add the chicken. So again for in a few minutes. Now I add this sesame seed and oranges. So I gonna one by one I gonna add, and I gonna cook little bit. Here is that spring onion I add already. So is how long you cook, and that slowly this chicken getting little brown color. As much as you leave the chicken on the fire, it will be coming the color, real color. Slowly we will getting brown. You see, already change the color, is getting brown because has soya, has honey. So now I gonna make little sticky is the cornstarch. I add little cornstarch to the sauce getting little stuck because it's not watery sauce for the chicken. Here is that I add little bit cooking wine. So cooking wine give nice flavor for the chicken. It's almost done. My chili honey orange chicken is time to serve. So here I put little bit steamed rice and slice of cucumber and tomato because chili is very hot, so you need to be little bit cool down when you're gonna eat. So thank you very much for watching my video chili honey orange chicken. And my request again, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and put that comment below so I gonna recognize who you are. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Until that, wish you all the best.